Hello, 你好, this is Maggie. This is the new dirt bike electric power. This model, the length is around 150 centimeters. The width is around 70 centimeters. The height is around 80 centimeters. The ground clearance of this bike is around 35 centimeters. The seat height of this model is about 75 centimeters. This model equipped with 1000 watts brushless motor, and the battery inside is 48 volt and 12 ampere hours lithium battery. This bike with 3 speed. Here is the 1 speed. Go. Now we change to 2 speed. Go. Now to 3 speed. Go. The speed is very fast. This dirt bike is front disc brake and rear disc brake. If you have any interested of this model, welcome to visit our official website www.vehicle-industry.com. Thank you for watching and see you next time.